Oh, it's recording.
Nice one, Marlene. No, leave it. Say hi, Marlene.
Hi.
Turn on. Wait, there's no light. Turn on the bathroom light.
You.
God, Marlene. This is Marlene. She thought she was taking a picture. That she didn't really see the camera button.
Oh, be quiet.
Oh, she's jumping on the bed.
This is like the thing.
Are you videotaping me?
Because I have nothing to do.
Oh, thanks.
You're welcome. So, how was the weather in Florida? Yeah, sit right there where all the beer cans are and stuff.
Oh yeah.
Let's open that one.
Let's drink with Marlene.
Really?
No, this is a party. If we open that, my cousin will be there.
Man.
Oh, look at this how she's gonna do her hair.
Yeah, it's too dark. I can't see. Okay, there we go.
Marlene, you scared me.
She tickled me. Don't tickle me, little girl.
What do we do?
Do you think I have a high-pitched scream? Kind of.
Yeah. A little.
Did you hear me at PE?
I can imagine you.
Running around. I got this Batman cape at the last day of school. And I was running around because I guess the teacher didn't want me under the tree where all the shade was at. So he told me to go run a mile. So I put on the Batman cape and I ran the whole mile. I'm like, I'm Batman! Batwoman. Nah, just kidding, I didn't. I wish I did though.
That'd be wicked. So, Marlene, have you ever seen any good shoes?
Huh?
No, never mind.
Little girl, if you tickle me one more time, I'm gonna bite you. On your fingers.
And it hurts.
No me das. No.
Sarah.
Sarah, no.
Sarah, no.
Sarah. Sarah or Sara?
The Spanish version is Sara.
Sara, not Sara.
Sara.
Sarai.
Sarita.
Sarai y
Sarai.
Sarita.
Sarai, Sarita.
Y Sarota.
She calls her. No, guess what my cousin calls
Mira,
her.
se chupa ella.
No, guess what my cousin calls her. Calls her Cerote.
That's poop.
Yeah.
Isn't that poop?
That's poop. In Spanish. Oh God, it's hilarious.
They call you poop?
No.
Sí.
They used to,
Cerote.
¿verdad?
What?
Danny, ¿verdad? He used to call you that.
Poop.
Shut up, Marlene. It's not funny. I hate poop.
Oh, come on. You like poop. You know you like chocolate. You know you like Hershey's chocolate, especially the milky dark kind. Wait, just the dark kind.
Okay, let's go with me.
With big chunks of almond that look like corn.
Ew. Oh, those are disgusting. Sarita.